Hi there! Today we are going to learn simple subtraction using these beads here in the ones place, the heavenly and the earthly bits. Up till now we have learned simple addition of single digit numbers, two digit numbers, and addition using small friends. We have learned about small friends. If you haven't seen all these videos, I'll link them in the description below. And subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Okay, without wasting our time, let's get back to the video. We are going to learn subtraction with these three examples. Okay, the first one is 8 minus 2, that is, okay, so this is 8 on our abacus, right? 1 heavenly and 3 earthly bits. Okay, now from this we are going to subtract 2 by moving 2 earthly bits away from the answering bar. As you already know, subtraction is exactly opposite as that of the addition, right? So for adding numbers, we move the bits towards the answering bar, and for subtraction, we move them away, right? Next one, 4 minus 3, that is, okay, so this is 4 on our abacus, right? Now to subtract 3, we are going to move these 3 bits away from the answering bar, right? So 4 minus 3, that is 1. That's correct. Right, one more. 9 minus 7, that is, okay, now this is 9 on our abacus, right? And from this, we are going to subtract 7. So how are we going to do that? We are going to move this one heavenly bit and these 2 earthly bits away from the answering bar, right? So let's go ahead and do it. 9 minus 7, that is 2. That's correct. Though it looks super easy and you can do it mentally even otherwise, it is very important foundation stone for your abacus techniques. We are going to do complicated calculations later on in this series of videos, right? So for that, I recommend you to practice this using your abacus. Alright? You can check out the link for the similar abacus in the description below. And if you want to learn it in detail, if you want to master it with a lot of practice exercises, you can check out my course on Udemy. I'll link that one also in the description. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep mastering the technique of abacus with InstAbacus.